Hi guys, Alex Unlocks here again with another cool iPhone unlocking video. Today I am going to show you the easiest way to unlock an iPhone when it says iPhone locked to owner. This is also known as the iCloud unlock. Before we start, I have to remind you that you will need an additional phone for the unlocking. It does not matter if it is an iPhone or an Android. Okay, without further ado, let's start. In front of us we can see our locked iPhone. What we need to do now is we have to extract the IMEI or serial number of this device. You can do that by clicking on the info button down below in the corner and these numbers will show up. Once you see the IMEI number, write it down on a piece of paper. Before you proceed the unlocking, make sure to shut down your device. So I will shut down the iPhone and switch to the other device where we are going to do the unlocking. Head over to xcloudunlocks.com and write down the number that you previously got from your locked iPhone. Then simply click on this button and wait for the magic to happen. After less than a minute, you will have to verify the unlock. This is a very easy task and requires no more than 3 to 5 minutes. Simply choose one of the apps from the list and follow the instructions given. I will choose to install TikTok. When you install the app, make sure to follow the instructions correctly. You may have to do some certain steps, or the unlock will not work. So I installed TikTok and run it for 30 seconds. Now let's switch on the locked iPhone and see what happens. Okay, this is the phone now. As you can see, it does not require a passcode to unlock it, and now I will open settings to see if an iCloud account is logged in. We can clearly see login with another iCloud account of my choice. This is the easiest way I have found out to unlock an iPhone so far. If you are interested in more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. I hope I will be able to share more tricks with you soon. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.